Hi, I'm here to show you how to install the rugged Defender Series Screenless Edition case on your phone. Are you also planning to use the Alpha Glass fortified glass screen protector? Then watch that installation video before installing your case. Take the case apart by peeling the slipcover off the shell. See the arrows on the shell? These indicate the snap points. Release each snap point to separate the two parts of the shell. Now, place your phone into the lid, bottom first. Slide the base onto the lid, starting at the bottom. Click it into place, bottom first, then snap the pieces together along the sides and top. Wrap the slipcover around the shell, pressing it into place along all the edges and around the buttons and camera. Close the port covers to finish up the installation. Now, grab your holster. Your phone fits into the holster facing in or out, and it doesn't matter if it's upside down or right side up. Clip your holster to belts and straps and lock it in place for a kickstand. A quick note about your fingerprint scanner. With your case installed, your finger may rest on the scanner differently. We recommend calibrating your fingerprint scanner after you install your case. That's it! You're prepped and ready for every adventure.